Hey everybody, it's Tom from HID Projectors, and we're showing off a set of H3 headlights here. Here's a quick preview of what these can do, and I'm going to go through and talk about all the awesome features and functionality of a set like this. So turning everything off, we're going to start with just the basics. So when you order a set of headlights like this for your 2005, 2010 H3 or H3T, you're going to get a brand new set of housings. We then take everything apart and we install or retrofit our bi-LED projectors in the middle. So that's going to give you a phenomenal output. So your low beam and your high beam are just going to be really great. You've got a very wide low beam that's going to be intense in the hot spot, give you a lot of width, give you a ton of light down road, the best in the market for any H3 product available. On top of that, you have a high beam that's even more impressive. So it's all built into the projector and it all operates with your stock headlight switch. So plug and play setup there. Then on top of that, you can add in some features. These are the Black Series lights, and what you're going to get with these is the option to take a Switchback angel eye, which is in the back of the shroud, and that's a white daytime running light like I just shown you here, and you can integrate these to use them as turn signals like I'm demonstrating here on the bench. And as you hit your turn signals, they're going to blink along, and then when you're finished making your turn, they're going to automatically go back to white, just like you saw there. The other cool thing you can do here is you could set these to be amber as well. So if you wanted to run with an amber daytime running light, you could do that. But to get the full functionality of the white and the amber together, you can wire them as the white daytime running lights and then also have them blink just like that. The next thing to show you here, if I turn these off for a moment, is the color changing devil eye. Now these come in two different options. You could choose a red devil eye or the color changing option. The color changing one here is operated with a Bluetooth controller. So the customer here is going to get a little controller that gets wired into your vehicle to a 12-volt switch source, and then you can operate it using an app on your phone. So I've got it here set to one of the 20 different built-in modes. This one's called 7-color crossfade, where there's 19 other modes. Like there's a strobe mode, there's a flashing mode, there's all sorts of fading in and out modes. And then obviously you can also preset it to any single color that you'd like, and it'll always remember the last setting that you had. So for example, if you set it to be blue and you turn it off, when you turn it back on, it's going to default to blue. Now just to remember, the devil eye is not your actual driving beam. That's just a small LED that we mount inside the projector. It kind of glows and it's there for show. So your bright white bi-LED projector, like we talked about in the middle, that's going to give you the output that we're known for. So if you guys are interested in something like this, head over to HIDprojectors.com. You can find the H3 products by going right to the website and using the search feature for your year, make, and model, or just use the drop-down menu, choose lighting, then go to Hummer, and then go to H3. You'll see this product as well as a couple of other ones that we have for H3s listed. If you have any questions, you guys can reach us at 716-662-3479 or email us at sales@HIDprojectors.com, or just leave a comment here on the video and we will reach out to you to see if we can help you. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.